Greetings, Chris Fiola here with the Perfecting Equilibrium Photo Fiola Friday. I'm out in my little forest. I'm trying a little walking and talking, but while I was gone today, they went and cleaned up some of the flowers I usually take pictures of, which I took pictures of the other day with the Pentax K-3 III Monochrome and the 50mm macro lens, which is really growing on me. Man, that is a sharp lens. Anyway, I won't bother doing the walk and talk, since I would point at bare sections of fence where the flowers used to be the other day. So have a great day. Thanks. Feel out.